Hello girls and guys, how are you today? So I am Mr. B.S. Bhajani. Recently in the last month I had bought this bike, Yamaha YZF R3 2018 model. So after that I ordered one pair of saddlebags from RYNOX India, from Amazon India. So this is one pair of sports saddlebags and the version is RYNOX NOMAD V2.1. So it is actually quite easy to fix. So let me show you. So I am going to install this pair of bag in my bike. So according to the seat height, you have to adjust this Velcro fasteners. This Velcro fasteners. So it has gone. Now with the bag, these 5 buckles came. This is one big pair, then 3 small, 1, 2, this 3. So I am going to fix it in the rear. So first of all you have to fix it here. I took it below this, like this. Then I just fixed it here. It has become too tight. Okay. So now let me fix this. I just fixed it for the time being. So this is here. Now the last one I have to fix it in the other end. So I have to fix it here. So this has come. So this has come. So I had just, for the timing, I fix it like this. So this is fixed. Okay. So now let me check. Okay, this is, you have to adjust a little bit. This you have to adjust little bit. And there is also one. So this is also, you can fix it here. This is also, you can fix it here. So your bike is ready. So your bike is ready with this pair of sports saddlebags from RYNOX India, and the quality is good. This pair of bags also come with rain cover for each bag. So let me take a walk around along my bike. How it does look like. Sometime before I also have fitted this tank bag. The tank bag is from Road Gods. So I had just fitted this pair of sports saddlebag, and you should check that your bag should not touch the upswept exhaust or not a tire. So you have to just check it. Okay, see here, this is not touching the tire, so it is quite good. This pair of bag is quite good. and it also looks quite sporty. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my video. So stay tuned, keep watching. I will be regularly uploading videos to my channel. So I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye. See you.